Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Give me a thumbs up just for the intro.
What is up, guys? It's the homie Bigg Vic, and we are back in the building with another video. Today we are about to show you guys the GetUpSide app. Once again, it's the beginning of the year. Well, we're in February now, and I'm about to cash out. About to show y'all where we are at on the app right now. We have reached $309.59 for the year of 21. So I'm about to cash up out of this joint and send this over to my PayPal account, because let me tap into my network here. Let's go to my referrals. So right now I referred 45 people. I have 45 referrals directly from me, and 20 more people got referred by my referrals. As you can see, looking at the app right now, I've earned $47.19 this past year up until today in just referrals, getting gas and using the GetUpSide app, making money from using the app, pumping their gas, whether that's diesel, whether that's premium. You can always go into your app here and you can change your profile. If you look in here, let's tap in here. Let's go to profile. You can go into your profile here and you can choose whether you want to use regular, mid-grade, premium, diesel, or other, whether that's E85, super premium, etc. So you can go ahead and you can change up the type of gas that you're pumping, and wherever you're at in your city, you're going to be able to see how much cash back that you will get when you pump your gas. So if you're brand new to the channel, you may have not seen my previous video when I did cash out. I think I was over like $300, something like that, the last time we did a cash out on the GetUpSide app. So today we cashing out, y'all. If you don't have this app, let me tell you something. You're out there pumping gas anyway, so it makes the most sense to go ahead, download the app to your phone, and the next time you pump gas, use the GetUpSide app. Look right here. You're looking at my app right now. Should be up on the screen. We're getting 14 cents a gallon cash back. Where they doing that at on a credit card? I don't have a credit card that gives me 14 cents a gallon cash back, especially not on diesel or premium. Now I've seen it pop up, not on credit cards, but I've seen it be high. I seen it be as high as 25 cents a gallon cash back. So y'all know I'm gonna come on here and give y'all the game. I'm gonna give y'all some extra gems that you can add to your collection of gems that you already had. All right, so go download the app. There's an invitation code, there's a referral code that I'm gonna have down below. Matter of fact, I'll drop the referral code in I'll pin the referral code in my comment section. So if you already have the app, let me know. Have you made some money already using the GetUpSide app? If you're using it on a regular basis, I know I am, you definitely can get cash back. Another tip, y'all, if you guys have other credit cards, or I know I have like a Barclay credit card. If you're pumping this diesel out here, it's cool to use your fuel cards if you're building up that business credit. But if you have a card that gives you points for cash back on pumping fuel, use that card as well. Like, run it up to where you're getting points, because when you're out here on the road and you can potentially use those points while you're out here for hotel rooms. You can be staying basically free. You can basically not have to pay for hotel rooms when you decide to go OTR with a lot of these cash back offers. Not only cash back offers, but a lot of these cards that are giving you a massive amount of points for pumping gas. You're talking about pumping $170 to fill up your tank, or $150 to fill up your tank. Most times when you are OTR, you know how fast that can definitely run up a large amount of points for you. I know one of my partners, matter of fact, Romel, I remember I did the interview with Romel. Romel told me, he almost over 100,000 in just points. So when he does decide to take his truck over the road, which I believe we're going to be doing that this summer. Like, he's going to be jumping in his whip with his lady. I'm gonna be jumping in the whip with my wife, and we gonna go out here for about 30 days. We're gonna run it up. You feel me? So definitely get this GetUpSide app. Download it to your phone, because I'm telling you, you're gonna be able to cash out. As a matter of fact, we getting ready to do that right now. We're gonna go ahead and cash this out, man. Let's cash it out. We're gonna send this right over to my PayPal. Live and in action. We sending that right over to PayPal. Let's go. I ain't playing with it. You see that? PayPal 309.59. Nope, I don't want to change that. I'm getting it all out. Let's take it all out. Let's clean it out. Cash out. Cash out amount 309.59. Boom. Payment is being processed. Enjoy GetUpSide. Yes, I love it. It'll be in my account within 12 to 24 hours, y'all. And just like that, we are done. So I'm gonna drop the link down below in the description. I'm gonna drop the link down below in the description box. Also in the comment section, I will pin the link. So if you do not have GetUpSide, the GetUpSide app, y'all, and listen, we're trying to run it up every possible way that we can run it up out here. We in 2022. There should be no reason why you're not tapped into something that's gonna help you free up yourself in this new year or going into years to come. You feel me? You don't want to be one of those people that at the end of the day looks back on your life and says to yourself, man, I wish I would have. Be one of the people that sits back with your coffee or your tea, sipping out, overlooking your yard, overlooking family, overlooking where the things that you accomplished in life. Be one of the people that sits back watching your grandchildren or whoever, overlooking the water, overlooking the beach, that blue water, wherever you at. Make sure you're one of the people that says at the end of the day, I'm glad that I did. You feel me? You already know what it is, man. I just wanted to drop this quick video on y'all. It's your homie Bigg Vic TV. Make sure you tap in. Seminar April 16th. You need to set up a strategy call with me. Make sure you tap in with me. The homie is here. I'm here. I'm here for the people. You feel me? All right. I see y'all in the next video. Always hustle. Never stop growing. Let's eat. Let's eat. Let's eat. And while you're out there, make sure you stay safe and masked up. It's the homie. Deuces.
To let you go, but maybe it's too late to figure it out.